Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you all about freelancing. So the site that I'm talking about is Fiverr.com. So here you can see there are hundreds of gigs. Gigs are basically your services that is available. So people can create these gigs and customers can shop for these gigs here and avail these services. So there are logo design, there is game design, there are application design, social media banners. So there are most of these tasks require very less skills, but there are some of them which require niche skills like SEO, WordPress, coding. But there are numerous ways people are making good money here just by editing videos, creating visual effects, 3D animated videos, and there are also some other tasks that doesn't require much technical knowledge, but it's mostly repetitive. I feel like mostly the graphic space where we have logo design, video editing have a good scope here. So today I will show you how to create a basic gig. So for that, let me switch over to selling mode. In selling mode, what I need to do is I have to go to gigs. In the gigs section, you can also sign up for Fiverr.com using my affiliate link. It will give you a discount for the gigs that you purchase there. And the good thing is that buying and selling is both in the same account. So I have already switched to the selling mode. Now I can create a new gig. So what I need to sell as a service is this. I will manage AdWords advertisement campaign for your business. So this will fit in which category? Digital marketing, social media advertising, search engine optimization, content marketing, video marketing, it's text message marketing, right? Various categories to choose from. So I'm gonna say it is fitting in maybe subcategory is not required. Some categories require the sellers verify the skills. So I'll say advertisement hashtags. Yeah, subcategory is required. So let me say this as social media marketing for now. So service type is what is asking me. They have even included Clubhouse here. Oh, if I say search engine optimization, that is SEO, which is not your category that you're looking for. So search engine marketing, this is the one that I'm looking for. Google is the search engine that I'm supporting. So I'm gonna say advertisement AdWords tag list must contain at least one tag. So what is happening, so you have to search for this advertisement. See, that is how it works. Now if I search for AdWords, right, so you have to type in 5 digital, maximum 5. Now I'm going to say save and continue. Now in the next screen it's going to show me description of the service that I want to give. There are various packages here: basic, standard, premium, right? And you can have additional things like extra fast service. I will deliver it in 2 days for an extra $10. I will deliver it in 1 day for extra $20. Right? Now in the basic package, you can say the time it takes, let's say 3 days for all. I'm gonna say can name the package basic package medium package premium package. So in this one, what is being offered, right? So I will list the summary of what service is being offered here. Campaign development, I can set it up. So how many weeks of management I am doing, that's what it says. 1, say 2, and I will say 3 weeks of ads, right? So let me put $30 campaign first, then 60 and 90. One web ads creation and management for 1 week. I'm going to put the same thing in here and say so that should do my various packages, and now say save and continue. It's asking for the description of the gig, so I have already prepared that to save some time in the video. I'm going to put that here, right? And I'm going to say save and continue. So get all the information that you need from your buyer to get started. So what is the information that you're looking for? Advertisement details. Title and description of product or service with web URL. So how do you want to get it? You want to get it in from a form on a free text field? Yes. Right, so that's all the information that we need from them. So now if you go to gallery, it will ask you for some details. So images you can upload up to 3. Let me put couple of images regarding Google Ads. You can set one as primary, but you need to review more here in case you want to submit and get it approved. So as of now, I'm just putting 2 images just to show you, but your description has to be precise. Your images has to be not the one which has been copied out of the internet directly. You will have to modify it so that it reflects the service that you're giving up, providing. So I'll say publish gig. Recently what I noticed is that some of the new gigs require users to have English certification. That is, you have to take a online quiz on English. They are just verifying it whether you have the required skill set for offering that service. So if you don't know how to communicate in English, then it doesn't make any sense to sell here, right? So that is what they are checking here. So now my gig should be live in the sense it can be previewed. So after it's reviewed, I can get orders. So if you see here, I will manage Google AdWords advertisement campaign for your business, right? One web apps campaign for 2298 INR, medium package for 596, and this is the premium package that is offered. So you can give even a video if you require regarding your service. So once you have testimonials, right, after you receive some of your orders, then you can provide the testimonials also, so that and you have, once you start having reviews, then people will start reading your reviews and start ordering it. Okay, that's how you set up a Fiverr gig. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.